Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the touchpad is not working on your Acer laptop. So to fix this, first connect an external mouse to your laptop, then click the search icon. Now type in touchpad settings. Now select the first result that appears. In this menu, make sure the touchpad option is enabled. Now click on this tiny arrow. Now make sure this checkbox is also enabled, otherwise your laptop will disable the touchpad as soon as you connect a mouse. If this does not work, it's likely that the touchpad is disabled using one of the function keys. Different Acer laptops have different key combinations to enable or disable the touchpad. On most laptops, you can do this by pressing the Fn plus F7 or Fn plus F10 or just the F10 key. You can try the combinations shown on the screen. However, if they don't work, press and hold the Fn key, then press each of the function keys one by one. So press and hold the Fn key and then press F1, then F2, then F3 and so on. Once you do this, your issue will be solved. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, you will need to expand this Human Interface Devices. Here you should see the touchpad entry, HID compliant touchpad. Right click on it and click on Uninstall Device. Now click on Uninstall again to confirm. Finally, restart your laptop and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.